yesterday or the day before yesterday. Okay.
Yeah, they kind of.
I'm gonna see what's in that truck first. Make sure let me go see somebody in that truck.
That's like just people fucking, like postal employees. Like, oh yeah.
I don't like the attempt to drift that forward. Cause I have been failing on that shit. There's another coworker. You see somebody in there?
No, not really. Let's see a truck.
There's one with the tires first.
This shit's small as fuck.
I put my tires already, bro.
Did you?
We're gonna find out. Yeah.
Is it still recording? I hope it is.
Yeah. Yo. Well, how did it pop?
I don't know. Well,
no, the tire's still good. I think it just ran out of air.
Slid out of its fucking thing.
Can you see that? Let me put it on. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, time to ride that shit on the rim.
Dude, that's like the tire's still new, so yeah. It just came out the fucking rim. But how is that even possible though?
I think the boys at your fucking tire shop fucked you over.
And that's that 2-second nigga. Remember? It took like 2 seconds to just do this shit?
Yeah.
Can you see the whole thing? Yeah. Well, at least we drifted for like 2 seconds.
Great success. You know what? It's the demon's fault. That's what it is.
Yo, imagine. Let's snap this shit. Look at it. So attempted to drift and look. The wheel just comes out of the tire and the tire's still fresh.
Fucking 2 seconds in. Look at this.
2 seconds in. You didn't even get the drift.
You could drift with the rim.
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, let's get the fuck out of here for some.
Well, let's start limping.